Welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to go through 10 questions on the topic of attitude. I'm using the app 4-in-1 Theory, which is a very good app. Let's click on Theory Test, Practice Revision Questions, and we're going to go through the topic of attitude. We're going to do 10 quick questions to get you ready for your theory test. Question 1. What should you do to avoid fuel spillage? Check that your filler cap is securely fastened. Check that you've used the locking filler cap. Check that your fuel gauge is working, or check that your tank is only 3/4 full. In this case, we want to check that our filler cap is securely fastened so we can avoid fuel spillage, and A is the correct answer. Question 2. What should you do when a person herding sheep asks you to stop? So this person, for example, asks you to stop. What do you do in this case? Ignore them as they have no authority. Continue on but drive slowly. Try to get past quickly, or stop and switch off your engine. You stop and you switch off your engine. Sheep are unpredictable. They could go all over the place. So you want to stop and switch off your engine. What does it mean if the signs at a bus lane show no times of operation? Here we see the sign for a bus lane with a blue background, but it does not have times of operation. Times of operation would look something like this: Monday to Saturday, 7 a.m. to 10 a.m., for example. Instead of this, we have no times of operation. So in this case, it means that the lane is in operation 24 hours a day. So you, as a normal car driver, you are not allowed to go into the bus lane. What must you do when the amber light is flashing at the Pelican crossing? A. Give way to pedestrians already on the crossing. B. Give way to pedestrians waiting to cross. C. Stop and wait for the green light. Or D. Stop and wait for the red light. So on a Pelican crossing, if the amber light is flashing and there's no one on the Pelican crossing, you can go. But if there is someone on the Pelican crossing and the amber light is still flashing, you allow the pedestrians to finish crossing. Give way to pedestrians already on the crossing. Which type of crossing allows cyclists to ride across while pedestrians are also crossing? Toucan crossing, which is C. And this is what a toucan crossing looks like. Here, cyclists and pedestrians can use that crossing at the same time. So that was for a toucan crossing. Question 6. Which color follows the green signal at a puffin crossing? Flashing green, steady red, flashing amber, or steady amber? Yeah, puffin crossing. So here for question 4, we had pelican crossing. We saw that it says amber flashing. So it's not going to be pelican. It's not going to be flashing amber, Rather, it's going to be steady amber. What type of emergency vehicle is fitted with a green flashing beacon? So ambulance, fire engine, emergency services will be blue. Road gritter will be amber, slow moving, and doctor's car is green. Okay, so C is the correct answer. There you go, doctor's car with a green flashing beacon. C is the correct answer. What should you do if a vehicle pulls out in front of you at a junction? Flash your headlights and drive up closely behind. Slow down and be ready to stop. Swerve past it and sound your horn, or accelerate past it immediately. So we slow down and be ready to stop. They may not have seen you, so give them the benefit of the doubt and have a positive attitude when driving on the road. Which vehicle will use blue flashing beacon? Blue flashing would be the emergency services. So out of these 4 options, we look for which one is emergency services. It's not snowplow, breakdown recovery, or motorway maintenance. These are all amber flashing beacon. It would be bomb disposal emergency. You're driving, okay, last question. You're driving at night on an unlit road. What should you do if you're following another vehicle? It's nighttime, there's no lights, unlit. However, there is a vehicle in front of you. So you are following that vehicle and they are guiding you on that road. So you do not need to have full beam headlights. You definitely don't want to switch off your headlights. Okay, so you use dipped headlights, which is B. Let's see what we got out of 10. 10 out of 10, well done. So if you got 10 out of 10, that's really good. Let me know how you did and make sure to subscribe if you liked my content.